We're looking at data validation in Chapter 9 in this video. This is page 572 in the textbook, and the first instructions are on page 573. We want to select B8 and D8. B8 is right here. Do a control click to select D8. Click Data on the ribbon to display the Data tab. Click the Data Validation button, and data validation, and here's where we can put in some rules for validating the data, and click the allow box and click on the down arrow, and want whole number, and we want greater than or equal to, which is already there, and 0, which is already there. So the only values that can be in those cells are values that are greater than or equal to 0. If somebody tries to type in something outside that range, they're going to have a problem. Okay, click on OK. Click the Input Message tab. And display the input message options, and the title, we're going to put number of cotton wraps, and the input message down here is going to be enter the number of Okay, so we type in the input message, click the error alert tab, and we got our error alert options. If necessary, click the style arrow button, and we want to select the stop, which is already selected. For the title, we're going to put input error, and for the error message, you must enter a whole number that is greater than or equal to 0, and click on OK. And it says do the same thing for cells in B9 to D9 and B10 to C10, and we're not going to bother to repeat that. Now let's just see what happens here. If I click on that cell, I get the little message that I typed in, and let's try to type in a -5 and hit the enter key, and so we're going to retry, and let's try typing in 10.5 and hit the enter key, and that's not a whole number, so retry. I think we had a 0 there before, so I'll just go back to 0 and hit the enter key. And that takes us to the end of that section on validating data. So we'll stop here, and the next video we'll take a look at solving complex problems.